The only time I recommend the 1999 one, and I recommend it for everybody, is when I'm using and I'm scaling in and out of trades. I can come over here. I can choose any exchange I want to trade on. KuCoin, for example. I can trade my pair, BTC USD, or let's just say I wanted to do a UT USDT, want to keep it simple. I wanted to trade Cardano. I can buy Cardano on KuCoin. I can buy Cardano on Binance US. I can buy it on Coinbase Pro, and I can buy it on Bittrex, all from one place. Trailing, take profits, stop losses. I can adjust targets into 2 or 3 zones. So I can say I want to buy, and I always like to use market, so I'm buying at the current market price. So I can say I want to buy 1,000 coins of Cardano. It's going to be $1,200. I'm going to set my take profit, and I can do it in 3 ranges, right? And this is how I tell everybody to scale out of the trades. When I'm charting out the price of a coin like Cardano, for example, I would be pulling out my fib extension tools. And this is going to be a really lame example, but I would pull it out. I would get my fib levels, and I would say, okay, price on Cardano, I'm predicting is going to retrace down here, for example. Price is going to retrace down here. It's going to test the 236. Then price is going to rise up here, rise to the upside. It's going to hit the 0.786. It's going to retrace down, and then it's going to take off here again, rise to the upside, and it's going to be hitting my target price of 0.186. So let's say I want to take profits at the 0.786 would be my 85% target price range. So I can come over here, and I would say I want to take 85% at this level. My next level would be the 1. I'm going to say I'm going to hold out. I'm going to take 10% at the 1. And then I'm going to keep my last 5% in here for the 618. And I can know the 618 as at $1.27. So I can see $1.27 right there. My next trade here was at $1.24. So I come over here and say, but it actually has them perfectly done up for me. So I don't even have to kind of figure out where they are. I can see my first target profit was at 122 right there at the 1. Would be at 123. So you can see it changes my percentage right there. So I'd be making 2.63% profit if I hit that target. And then I can see up here, this target was at 124.4. So I can come over here and change this to 124.4. And I can see I'd be making 3.8% profit. And if I hit my upper target, which is up here at $1.27, I'd be making 6%. So I'm taking 85% of my investment out of the trade at level 1, 10% out at level 2, and keeping that last 5% in there at level 3. I can then turn on a stop loss. Simple. Always use 5%. If I'm trading Bitcoin, sometimes it's 2 or 3, but these altcoins seem to 5% seems to be the projected price. So I can say if I start this trade with $1,000 and I hit my stop loss, I'm losing $60. So it's so nice to understand exactly what you're going to lose without having to do any work or think about anything. This is the best thing. I'm going to make an entire video just on scaling in and out of trades using Bitsgap because this is the cream of the crop. So when I'm looking at pricing, even if I only wanted to test out the bots and dick around, so when I'm looking at the plan for $19.99 a month, even if I was only going to have 2 active bots and be just barely messing around with the bots, the fact that I can scale in and out of these trades so easily without even thinking, it's a no-brainer, right? That $20 is going to pay for itself. And the best part about this, if you use my affiliate link, they will give you 2 weeks to test out this platform. So you can test it out for 2 weeks. And if you don't see that you're saving yourself $20 a month getting in and out of trades, just test it out. Be like, oh yeah, I'm going to scale out of these trades, or I'm going to take profit at this point, and tell yourself you're going to do that. And when you miss that point and you lose money, just jot it down on your notes for like a couple weeks and see how much money it adds up to, because if it adds up to over 20, it's a no-brainer. This platform pays for itself. So this is really no-brainer. Make sure you guys join. If you guys do sign up, join our members only Telegram group for the Bitsgap Bot community. I got nothing but love for you guys. Links will all be down in the description. Thank you, Ivan. Thank you, Bitsgap, for going above and beyond. The customer service that you guys provide is on a whole nother level. Thank you so much for letting Ivan come onto the show. Every single person that signs up is just looking forward to having him on the show. So what great marketing, what great customer service, what great employees you have. Everything about Bitsgap. I love you guys. Thank you guys for everything that you've done for me and for the cryptocurrency community. Can't thank you guys enough. And I'm looking to have a long partner business relationship with you guys. So thank you guys for everything you do. Peace.